Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting back. Counting back can be a very useful strategy to help us solve simple subtraction problems. Many students have no difficulty when it comes to counting in the normal manner. However, being able to count backwards from any given number is a very useful skill which can be used in a number of situations. Consider the following number line. So here's a number line. Focus on the red circle on the number 8. There it is there. Now count backwards to the left 5 places. How did you go? Answer. Counting backwards 5 places from the number 8 can be done in 2 different ways. Put your finger on 8 and do the following. So if you put your finger there, shift your finger to 7 and count 1. 1. Then shift your finger to 6 and count 2. 2. Then shift your finger to 5 and count 3. 3. Then shift your finger to 4 and count 4. 4. Then shift your finger to 3 and count 5. 5. What number did you land on? 3 is the answer. I have reproduced the number line below for ease of reference. So here is the number 8. Okay, on the number line I've got it with the red dot. So think of the number 8 in your head. Then count 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So you're basically counting backwards in that direction. The answer is still 3 because that is the last number. Your hand can help you keep track that you have counted back only 5 times because there are 5 fingers. So that helps you keep track that you've gone back exactly 5 places. Now some practical applications. That means where do we use this type of stuff in real life? So here's another example before I give you an interesting example in real life. What number is 4 less than 7? So there's 7. So count back 4 numbers to the left of 7. 6, 5, 4, 3. So we go 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is 3. Now here's an interesting example which can be used in everyday life. Bill had 9 marbles, but Mary had 7 less. How many does Mary have? So we just count back from 9. So pretend that the 9 is here. So we just count back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. See, so we've counted back 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 2. Now here are some examples where we can use counting back with some board games. For the above board game, there is a square red marker which is 6 spaces behind the blue marker. So there's the blue marker here. So the square red marker is 6 spaces behind. So let's count 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the square red marker is here. Okay? And it is 6 spaces behind, because that's going backwards. So there is our square red marker. Example 4. Find the numbered square which is 4 spaces behind the yellow triangular marker. So here's the triangular marker here. So we need 4 spaces behind it. That means we have to count backwards. So if we are on the number 7, the number that's 1 less than 7 is 6. Then we go to 5, 4, 3. See that? So we've gone back 4 places, and we can double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can go 6, 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay, so that's the numbered square. When we go back 4 places, that's the square we need there. So this video has given you some examples of counting back, and we've seen a couple of everyday examples in real life.